Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today our topic is how to correctly upload YouTube videos to increase CPM and earnings. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe our channel. Guys, it's need of time and demand from you people to create a tutorial on how to upload YouTube videos to increase CPM. Being a YouTuber or creator, you must know that you have proper title, description of your video, keywords and tags, proper keywords and tag, language selection, monetization, and publish your material on social media also. So today we will learn how to upload practically. Always use a PC instead of mobile or tab because this is Creator Studio, and for proper uploading of videos you must have PC for uploading video. Upload video. Today we will upload one Geek to learn. First of all, I will select part 1 for secrets. This is our video. MP4 file. So one more thing. So this is my this is title. You should have simple and proper title for your relevant videos. I will paste title here. Then second thing is description. I have already write the description of videos. You must have proper description for your content. This is my description. The description should be simple and easy to read and understand. Then thumbnail. Your video must have proper thumbnail, attractive and clear message in your thumbnail. So I have thumbnail for this video. Already I have made thumbnail. If you have made playlist for categorically videos, you can select the playlist, select not made for kids. Then tags. The most important thing is tags and keywords here. You should have some tools like I have. This is the most technical and important part to select keywords and tags for your video. So I used keyword dominator. You can just search here. You can type title of your video, select country, language, and here would be keyword suggestions. Or you can use Google keyword stations with frequency. This is Google keyword tool. So I would prefer you need to search manually so that you can be a tricky. Suppose my video topic is Windows shortcuts. Now people are searching like shortcuts Windows 10 productivity, Windows 11 not working, or you can type Windows tips. Now these are the all keywords relevant to your videos, or you can search from Google also, like Google Windows tips, Windows tips and trick 2020. This is the most high frequency keyword, like this one for productivity for Mac users. Now you need to relevant your tutorial video with these keywords. These keywords have most high frequency. So I have already copied keywords. These are the tags and keywords. I will copy. So put keywords. Please don't put empty tags and keyword. You need to type relevant keywords and tags for your video. Select the language of your uploading video, most important. This will target the audience and community. My video is in English language, so carefully select the language for your audience. Then certificates, select none. Then recording date, you can put the date and location. Priority top. Now the all first detail tab has been completely entered, and you can check no issue found. This is my personal video. Then you can go for next phase, monetization. You need to start monetization. Then next. Now these are the checks, none of above. Acknowledgement, submit rating. You need to check here, no issue found for monetization, the most important part. Now you can add subtitle for language. If you have multiple languages, you can upload your file. Then you must select end screen for your video. I can select the relevant video, like I will select 37 for end screen video. Now the video has been selected. You can select for next one, best viewers. Now two videos have been selected and there will be my logo. Then save. Currently I have no subtitle, but I have added end screen. Now at the end of screen video, this will be displayed. Cards, you must have relevant card for your window, like I will add video for my card, like this one, run commands. This will show like this. Card have been added at specific location. In this way you can promote your videos. Card have been added. Then next. Now the checks, no checks for copyright and ad suitability. The lucky tab. Then publish to public. You can schedule also, but I will publish this. Now I am going to publish my video. You can recheck. You can go for each tab and recheck your monetization, video elements have been added, and checks and visibility. Now I am going to publish my video. After publishing, you must need to share on your Facebook, on your page, on your groups, Twitter for your friends, WhatsApp groups. So you can copy link here and you can share on WhatsApp too. In this way, you can upload correctly and promote your videos. And for the CPM, the most important thing is keywords and tags and relevancy with your language. Thanks guys for watching and learning.